Hi everybody, welcome back to Holly Harvest Farm. So today it's a cold, rainy, nasty, icy sort of a day. And so of course we're gonna be outside getting something done. Unless the rain picks up too bad, then who knows, you might never ever see this video. But anyway, we're going to cut down the Elwoods. Now this is part of the property. I'll put a picture of the map up here so you can see the way the pastures are done. But this is what we call the Elwoods. The Elwoods is at the top of the L. So this area was super overgrown, and I spent the better part of an entire winter trying to clear it out. Got it to where it was down to just sticks on the trees. Got it to where all the sticks were cleaned up, got grass seed planted, did all that, and now it looks pretty nice. But when we were out here, we decided that we would give the trees a little over a year to see if they bounce back. And well, these trees just are not bouncing back. They are super spindly. We've had a couple fall down recently because of how nasty they are, and they're dead. They're not for burning in the wood stove, which is its own thing, but we'll just take them and put them in the brush pile. But today, I think I'm gonna cut down, I don't know, probably 30 trees. We're just gonna do a walk. I'm gonna cut them at about chest high because the neighbor, I talked to him, he has a large bulldozer. He'll be able to knock out the stumps when they're down. So I want to at least get them cut down so that way all he has to do is come through, knock out the stumps, and then we can plant this area into, we want to put in some more decorative hollies. We want to put in some larger, maybe some fruit trees in here, but we want to make it worthwhile. So this area right now is kind of useless. Even if we wanted to put like a small shed in here, we would have to try to figure that out because these trees are in the way. So we're just going to kind of start over, reset this area. So until it gets too cold and wet and rainy out here and I can't stand it anymore, we're just going to cut down trees. So come on, let's start with the chainsaw and let's go cut down some trees. Let's go. So I got a little cocky, I think. Tree won't fall. Go get another wedge and put it in there and see if that'll do the trick. But right now, just kind of hanging there. So I'm not a professional. I've said that before. Let's go get a wedge. All right, so I kind of screwed up. When I went to go make my cut, the end of my saw was down, and so it's down. I'm gonna put a wedge, another wedge in here, slam it in. Another thing is, I really don't want it to hit the fence. I should be good, but you never know. So I'm gonna put you guys kind of in the danger zone if it were to come this way, but I don't think it's gonna come this way.
It didn't hit you. It didn't hit me. Yay. This one is definitely going that way. I'm just going to keep it going. Oh, God. The tree fell. Ah. No. Ah. Darn it. I had it up here and it got stuck and it flopped backwards. I just blew up the dashboard. Ah, come on. Arg. Oh, man. See if it even starts.
Well, it at least starts. That just ruined my whole day. Ruined it. Having a good day. We got a lot done out here. Check the hydraulic controls. Hold on. I broke off that other mirror. Yeah, the log was up there and I hit the tree and it slid down and fell
all right on it. I couldn't stop it. Hydraulic controls are working. They're fine. I mean, the thing starts, but man.
All right, so that just ruined my day. Really did. I'm done out here for the day. I got a ton done. These trees, not to get a count on how many trees I cut down, but cut down a ton of trees today. Dead trees. Gonna be a big bonfire eventually. Bonfire's looking good. It's gonna be eventually, let it dry out. Come spring, maybe summer, we'll get a good bonfire out here. But the Elwoods are now not as many trees in the Elwoods, but the trees that are going to be out here will at least be healthier. Still got one that's hanging over here. Not a big tree, so I should be able to yank that then. I'm not worried about it hurting anybody or anything like that. We don't come out here a whole lot as far as this area goes. But the Elwood cleanup is looking much better. And we just got to get more of these trees pulled out. I just can't believe I screwed up the dash like that. Luckily it starts, but it's just one of those things. You're out here, you're trying to get work done, you're trying to be careful, you're trying to be safe and do it and do it on your own without having to spend a bunch of money to call somebody to come out here and cut down these trees, because I know I can do it. And then something like that happens and it just crushes you. Well, I kind of made a promise to myself to show you guys the good, the bad, and the ugly of what we're doing out here, and that honestly was a bad and an ugly. I need to be better as far as that goes. I try to take care of our equipment, make sure everything's working okay, and then something like that happens and it just kills. Man. Well, that's it for Holly Harvest Farm today. I'll go around real quick and get a quick snapshot of how many trees we cut down today. And then, yeah. So thanks for joining us today on Holly Harvest Farm, and we will see you next time. Let's go count some trees real quick. Bye.